Sakaling maipasa ang panukalang redistricting, kasunod ng pag-reapportion sa 7 district seats na dati ay laan sa lalawigan ng Sulu, tanong ni MP Raisa Jajuri kung may sasama ba ito sa idadaos na eleksyon o mananatili pa rin sa 73 seats at may iwang bakante ang 7 district seats.
Ang binoboto po natin ay parties, no? The bulk or half of the 80 members ng parliament ay ine-elect po natin through political parties. And then you still have district representatives to ensure that geographical areas have their representatives in the Bangsamoro parliament. And then we also have a provision for certain sectors that may be in terms of numbers, in terms of political participation, may be minoritized or marginalized. So we make sure that there are seats for them, as provided again in the peace agreement and as detalyado po sa RA 11054. Yung pinaka-head po, si Chief Minister ng pangalan, no longer a regional governor. And ang Chief Minister is chosen or elected by members of the Parliament. So you see, you first have to elect the Parliament, the 80, or right now it's 73. And from among the people who comprise the Parliament, they will elect from among themselves the Chief Minister. Of course, currently, because it's a transition government, yung Chief Minister po natin ay ina-appoint as Chief Minister, not only as member of the Parliament, but as Chief Minister. But by 2025 onwards, mas ang connection po ng Chief Minister will be with the Parliament that will vote for that position. And then of course, ang pagkakaiba rin po, because it's a parliamentary form of government, mas closely related sa executive and legislative kapag parliamentary form of government compared to unitary presidential form of government. So you have distinct and separate branches of government. Ano po ang ibig sabihin niya na medyo magdikit sila? Una-una, yung majority of the members of the cabinet ay dapat members din of the parliament. At yun ang tinatawag natin din government of the day. The government of the day usually dictates on the legislative agenda of the parliament. So kung nasa legislative agenda ng government of the day yan, mas madali din pong ma-enact kasi ganun po yung isang forma niya, no? It's prioritized over other bills, other private member bills.
Ang orientation na inorganisa ng Office of the Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation and Unity o OPAPRU sa pagkikipagtulungan ng Office of the Presidential Task Force on Media Safety, Bangsamoro Information Office at Commission on Elections. Layunin ng hakbang na mabigyan ng komprehensibong pangunawa ang mga mamamahayag hinggil sa Bangsamoro Peace Process.